In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a limited PayPal account in just 5 minutes. It's a common issue that many users encounter, and while it can be frustrating, the process to resolve it is quite straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. You can do this by entering paypal.com into your browser's address bar. If you're not already familiar with PayPal, it's a popular online payment system that allows you to send and receive money globally, and it's crucial for both personal transactions and business deals. Once you are on PayPal's homepage, look for the login button, typically located in the upper right hand corner. Click on it to enter your credentials and access your account. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can easily reset it by following the prompts provided. After successfully logging in, you might be prompted to verify your identity. PayPal ensures that your account is secure, so it may ask you to get a text verification. Here you'll have an option to receive a message either via WhatsApp or as a standard text message on your mobile device. Choose the method that's most convenient for you, and once you receive the text, enter the code to complete the verification process. With access granted, you'll land on the PayPal homepage. From there, direct your attention to the menu options and click on Disputes and Limitations. This section of the website deals specifically with any issues or restrictions that might be impacting your account. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Resolution Center. The Resolution Center is where PayPal outlines all actions required to resolve specific issues with your account. It's essentially a control panel for problem solving, designed to guide you step by step through resolving any account limitations. Within the Resolution Center, locate the Account Limitations section. Here, PayPal will detail exactly why your account is limited and provide instructions on what needs to be done to lift those restrictions. It's important to carefully follow these instructions, as each limitation has its own set of specific requirements. Finally, address each issue as outlined. This may involve providing additional documentation, verifying your identity again, or supplying further business information depending on the nature of the account limitation. Once you've completed the necessary steps, your request will be reviewed and you'll receive a response from PayPal regarding the status of your account. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to fix a limited PayPal account. Remember, always ensure your account information is up to date and accurate to minimize the chances of encountering limitations in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your way to hassle-free online transactions.